the world, y'all. Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Elk, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your hunt on. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hunting done. Everybody come gather round, Southern boys gon' lay it down. Better bring the kids, we gotta teach them, cause they're the future, we gotta reach them. We came to hunt, we brought some friends like Stone Cold Steve Austin. John Michael Montgomery might come on through, pick Grand to hunt right here for you. We got the best pro staff around, Doug, Tom, and John coming to your town with Troy Gentry, Wet and Woolley, Johnson Heather, there's no one better. Oh, Mike Beatty, he's the man, the world record, y'all understand. With Greg Zipadelli, Hallie King, come on y'all, let's go hunt again. We hunt the world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Elk, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your hunt on. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hunting done. We like to load and go do our thing, hunting the world for all kinds of game. Bears, boars, birds, bugs, Southern boys in camo trucks. Worldwide on the Outdoor Channel, y'all tune in and bring a friend. We hunting, baby, Chris and gravy. Come on y'all, it's Southern style. Drinking sweet tea up in a tree, drop 12-point buck from a quarter mile. Bass fishing, hog hunting, turkey shooting, game running, mud bogging, camouflaging, putting it down so y'all can watch it. Hunting the world is the name of the show, better ask somebody if you don't know. We hunt the world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Elk, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your hunt on. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hunting done.
Woohoo! Boys, that's how we hunt down here in the South, y'all. Ohio makes us Thompson Center one-shot smackdown. Ken, I see you up in the stand with that Matthews bow. Yeah, baby, that's what we do down here. We hunt, we fish, we ride in the mud, cook out. We might do a little some of everything down here. That's just some country boys, y'all. Y'all don't be mad at us. Y'all welcome to come on down here anytime you want to. Y'all can hunt with us. We can do it all, baby. That's just what we do down here. Hal Schaefer, Kenny Cobb, Greg Zipadelli, and me, yeah, I'm your host for this ride. I'm Colt Ford. I got to go, y'all. I got hunting to do. Holla at you.
We hunt the world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Elk, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your